You get what you are. Could you explain this further?
Okay. We often think we get what we want. And that's the basis for a lot of the teachers of the law of attraction, is you get what you want, you get what you desire, you get what you focus your attention on. When it comes down to it in reality, the truth is you get what you are. And those two are closely tied together, because if you want something with enough emotion and enough commitment, you will become the thing that you desire. You will know it not as an object, not as a thing, but you'll know it as a feeling and as an understanding of the essence of the thing that you desire to attain. You get what you are because if you say, I want, if we just use something trivial like a house as an example, I want a house, but there's a voice that's within you, that's the voice of change, saying you don't deserve a house like that. What will other people think about you if you have a house like that? The voice takes several different angles to try to keep you where you are, because even if you're miserable, unknown change is to be avoided more than known misery, because change is always a negative. Change is always a threat to your survival, even if you're miserable to start with. But if you have doubt, if you let worry take over, if you have to analyze it till you understand it all before you take action, then what you are is holding things back. You have to approach it with an idea that I'm going to be open, I'm going to allow source energy to move, I'm going to surrender my own understanding to the understanding of infinite intelligence. When you get to the point where I understand what it is to be the person who has achieved that goal. I understand what it is to be emotionally tied to that house at a level where that's part of my being, that you don't allow the worry and doubt and fear or whatever else it might be that might be a barrier to you to have precedence and control your decision. So you don't get what you want, you get what you are. And you need to look at what do I need to do to become the thing that I desire. Part of it is that exercise of looking into a candle flame, not to see it as a candle flame, but to see it as how am I like this candle? What is it like to be that candle flame? To actually become it. And Troward says you don't understand things by seeing them from the outside. You only understand things by being them from the inside. And the same thing's true about yourself. Thanks for being with us today. My goal is to give you value with every lesson. If you would like us to notify you every time a new lesson is ready, click subscribe below, then turn on notifications. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks.